Hi guys, it's Polly here. This is a Shogun inspired piece. As you can see, today I wanted to talk about how to improve fast and what trick have I used. In my observation, improving your drawing has a lot to do with how fast you actually draw. It goes hand to hand. When you work faster, you improve faster, and when you speed up, you enter a natural flow. Your shape become organic, your stroke feel more natural, and you stop overthinking every little lines. Everything feel more natural and fluid. Like this portrait here, I am doing it in a total of 2.5 hours, and I'm pushing myself to do it faster each time I do something new. Key thing you should draw into your head is to think big. When you draw big, you need to focus on the big picture. And even when you draw a small picture, you even need to focus more on the big picture. Drawing isn't about an isolated details, it's about presentation as a whole. When people look at your artwork, they see the entire piece at first, not individual eyelashes or the tiny details. People have average of 3 seconds of attention span nowadays. They scroll through your whole portfolio, glancing at maybe like 20 images at once. So if you waste time zooming into details too soon, you're slowing yourself down for no reason. Instead, think about blocking out big shape first, defining the space correctly, establishing strong structure before details. Here, the trap of over focusing on details. I hope you don't stay there for too long. The common mistake, spending way too much time on one little small area. You see, like what I'm going to do here, I'm gonna work on her face, but I'm not zooming in too much to work on more eyelashes or to work more on her lips to make it more details because it's not needed, given the composition that she is in this picture. What I'm gonna do on her eye is that I'm just gonna do one dot of white reflection, and that is enough to define the shape. That that's her eye. I don't need to zoom in. I don't need to do her double eyelid and do the eyelashes because it's not needed. Can I dive more into details? Of course I can, but I am not going to because if it's enough to do the job, then leave it as it is. Do not trap yourself. Do not trap yourself in a endless cycle in improving, but in fact you're not really moving forward because it hurt your sense of accomplishment. You don't feel progress. It drains your motivation. You get frustrated and worn out. It slows you down. You feel stuck. Your improvement stall. How I get to know all of this because I've been there. I used to zoom in too much, refining texture, working on every eyelashes, adjusting tiny details for hours. But unless a client specifically requires that level of precision, is usually unnecessary. You need to break free from this trap, and one of the best way to do it is by setting a timer. The power of a timer. This is a game changer. Every time I stop drawing, I now start a timer for 25 minutes and just say, yeah, set a timer for 25 minutes. And how does this work? Because when the timer rang, it snapped you back to reality. You realize, wow, okay, it has been 25 minutes. Where am I at now? Am I still stuck in one section or am I actually progressing? You need to keep yourself aware that you need to keep moving. Keep moving in different sections, getting the overall picture to be complete. Like that. Don't look at isolated details, look at the whole. Think big. After a few sections, this bell started ringing in your head automatically. You become aware of time, and that awareness alone pushes you forward. You realize that time is flying and you can't afford to waste it. You adjust your workflow, you zoom out more often, you stop getting lost in details too soon. You work with bigger, more confident strokes. You use brushes that help you work faster, like big brushes, instead of tiny brushes too early. And guess what? When you work faster, your brain automatically adopts. You become more precise with each stroke. You make faster, better decision about shape, light, and form, and that is exactly how you improve fast. If you guys are interested, next time I will show you guys how to block in color and shape fast. The key is to only see block of color, not seeing details, not able to see fine lines, but only blocking in color. Next time I will show you guys how to do it. As always, drawing and doing art is something personal, and I do it because I enjoy it and I wanted to share what I have learned over the years. I hope you guys find it helpful. And if you are still here, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will share my progress next time. I started this channel because I wanted to share my experience and be able to meet more like-minded people. And if you want to come along in this art journey, feel free to subscribe and I will see you guys around. Thank you. Bye.